a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! Hey, there you are. Good to see you. I love that. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Left leads to the water slide. Forward leads to the Great Waterton Station. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Excellent! Wow! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! I love that! Got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Let's get this back on track. Oops, let's have another go. That was so much fun! Pick any toy you like. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. To Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Great! That's the way! That's the way! That's the way! We're always happy to help. The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash of the steamworks. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! There's nothing left to unwrap. This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to place in your train set, and a new exciting minigame. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Get the Mega Bundle to add even... Where to now? Right leads to the big bridge. Left leads to the lava quarry. Left leads to the pig farm. Forward leads to the lava quarry. This adventure box contains a unique engine. 9, we're near the pig farm. Let's go! Woo! Forward leads to the pig farm. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to Knapford Station. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. I love that.